Hello, in this example I will show you how to do this kind of loader, okay? So let's code. Hi, welcome back. I already set this code before. I have a div element with ID loader, and inside of it I have a span element without any text, okay? Also I have a style element where I say that the body has a background black, okay? So because of the span don't have any text inside of it, this will be just and only just a black page, okay? So let's give some style to the span so we can see something, okay? To do that we say that the ID loader and the children of the type span have a position absolute and a bottom of 0 pixels, width of 200 pixels, also a height of 50 pixels, and the last one is background green. Let's see. So we have a rectangle here in the bottom left, and I want to put this element more or less in the center. To do that I must say that the wrapper, the loader div, must be at the center. To do that I say that the element with ID loader have a position relative to the page and a margin of 20% from the top and 20% from the left. Let's see. So our element is more or less in the center. Now let's give some animation to the element. To do that we add the property animation and we say that animation frame is called loader frame and it will display in 1.5 seconds and is infinite and also is in out like this. Let's see. Nothing happens. Okay, why? Because we didn't say yet what this thing is. This is loader frame, but this is not defined anywhere else. Okay, to do that we must say at keyframes and the name of the keyframe is at 0% and let's define this in 4 parts: 25% and 50% and 100%. So here I'm saying this in the length of 1.5 seconds it will be displayed a frame that is divided in 4 steps. Okay, you can read this more or less like this. Okay, so in the first step at 0% we should have a height of 50 pixels, okay, and at 25% a height of, let's say, 200 pixels, and at 50% the third step a height again of 50 pixels, and the last part is a height again of 50 pixels. So let's see. Okay, now we have this is like an heart bumping. Let's give some colors for us to distinguish each part. So the first part, 0%, will have a background orange, and the second part, 25%, a background of violet, and the third part we must have a background of red, and the last one we have a background blue. Okay, so let's see the result. So now we can see the different parts. Okay, now let's give the true colors. For the first part we have an orange, and the second one we have red. Okay, the third should be orange again, and the last one it's already blue. Okay, also I want to give a transform of translate of 0 pixels. You will see what this does. Transform translate y of 100 pixels, and the third should be transform translate y 0 pixels, and the last one should be exactly 0 pixels again. So at 25% we have this transform. Okay, let's see what this does. Now this guy, instead of growing for the top, grows in both ways. Okay, so the transform does these kind of things. In this case, this will translate in the y coordinates. Okay, so now that we have this happening, okay, let's add some more spans. Okay, to do that I go here to HTML part and just copy the first, and we have 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's see, and nothing happens. We have just one rectangle here. Why? Because they are stacked in the same place. Okay, so let's say that the span with the 𝗀 child 2, so the second child that is the span of the element with ID loader should be at the left 205 pixels. Let's see what this does. Oh, now we have two spans. Okay, next we say that the third is located at 410 pixels, and also that the fourth element should be located at 615 pixels, like this. Let's see the result. Oh, now we have the 4 elements, the 4 spans displaying. Now I want to give some delay for each span. Okay, so they can act in different times. Here again, where ID loader span and child 2, we say that animation delay should be of 0.2 seconds. Let's see. Oh, now we have this guy in a different time of the others. So let's copy this and put here and say that this guy will display at 0.4 seconds, and the last one should display at 0.6 seconds. Okay, let's see. And now every rectangle is growing in different times. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching and hope you like it.